All right, it is November 5th, Friday. The market is closed. Dow finished up plus 203. NASDAQ plus 31, S&P plus 17. I'm taking a look at some more stocks today. I made that call on ALZN and it popped. Check my video yesterday. Really good stock picking. People are good at different things. You might be get like real good day trading or, excuse me, going in and out of stocks real fast, like scalping, swing trading. And I'm very good at stock picking and swing trading, day trading as well. But getting to a stock before it moves, that's the key. You don't want to get it, as it's moving. It's tougher. That's the thing. Get it before the move. That's why a lot of these stocks are like $1, then they're at 10. Well, if you got in way before, that's the key. Look at this stock. I went round and I said, this is gonna pop. It's so much of a sideways move now, very tight. And look at these spikes, and there it went today. So that was that. Check out the video. All right, let's check out METX again. Done this many times. Did it back in all last year, and recently I've done it for a move up this dollar, which it did, but then it gapped down. So the whole move. This is where we are now. You have the gap down, or not gap. Excuse me, a falling wedge. And then it came down again, tried to bounce a little bit, didn't, falling wedge again. This one was real tight down, like straight down. This is more of a sideways falling wedge. And then look what happened. 50 cents. It bounced, and everyone's like, yeah, here we go. I called it in here, but I didn't call this the gap down. No one saw that the way it happened there. Let me see if there's any news. Excuse me. Strategic partnership, AGM Group Holdings for blockchain cryptocurrency mining business. That was October 28th. I told you, get in that crypto space, Bitcoin. It's hot. A lot of these companies, I'm surprised more companies are not jumping on that, like penny stocks. Like, oh, we're a part of Bitcoin or anything like that, crypto. The stocks will fly. So that was the latest news, October 28th. Educational stock, China. Stock was just reading here. Let's go. People are saying they like it here. This could break 70. All right, so here it is technically. Now, after that move, you came down, all longs got crushed. They get out. And then look what happened. This formed a low of 28 cents. And right here, 28 cents, double bottomed. When a stock gets this low, 25 cents and lower, you got to worry a little bit, but is the stock, going bankrupt, or are they going to be delisted? Watch for that. The China play makes it even more crazier. But look what this was forming now. After this is a cup and handle. This is classic. Right here, you have a cup, the rounding motion. There's a move up. The pullback right here. That's why it looks like exactly like a cup and handle. This is, the side of the cup where the handle is. And look, then you have a move up. And then usually on that, nothing's exact in patterns, but it does this and then takes off. So watch for a move next week. If we can break 75 right into this $1, and you have a gap right there, 125. If this gets momentum, they'll push this hard. This had 1 billion or 981 million traded, and that was on 1026. Look at the gap here. So my high zone for this, I'm just looking back, would probably be this $2, 170 to 2, because there's a lot of congestion back here, January 2021. Shorter term, let's look at 75 to 125, maybe 150 on this. This can get going in. Look at the volume. That's never done this big a volume. Stochastics going up. I like that. It's holding 1320 EMA, filling the gap. And we'll see what happens on this one. They had the offering, remember, September 7th. It's definitely a riskier stock. China stocks I don't like, but let's look at the weekly. See the 20 EMA clearly over 13 EMA, but it's getting very tight here. Went sideways. Look at your EMAs going sideways right here. First time stochastic has been up this high since February. You have a clear crossover. You're caught in between. Look at this, 65-cent range, and it's like 45. Now to stop on this, you really probably be this candle, this bar here, that low 35 cents. If it goes lower than that, it's back down, and then it's probably going to go sideways down for a while. But right now, it's caught in between. I like that. It's a very good sign on the weekly. The overall retracement level of this 123%. Fibs 6 level. This is way oversold. This could easily spike. Now, a lot of these China stocks, are crushed. These educational space. I've talked about this before. Will this happen? Will this be their time where they come up again and they'll be in favor? Yes. That's how the stock market works: in favor, out of favor. And let's look at the monthly. The 28 May's formula 13. It's a big space there. Big space. So a big spike up 1, 3 here in the monthly, and if it would hit that, it would probably bounce down. But that's something to look at. It hasn't formed that much yet at this point. On the spike, so this look, we went back here and it filled, got above, came back, tried to, came back down. There's a space, there's a gap, there's a gap. Then it came out of it very nicely from 50 cents, and it went on this candle 94 cents. So almost got to that 1, and then that happened, and then we came back down again. Double bottom base here on that cup and handle. This volume here, to me, it looks like more of accumulation volume. I haven't, looked at it deeply, but the risk reward is very much, much higher here at this point. Unless you think it's going to come up here again, and then they come back down. And, this is going to like 10 cents or something. Anything's possible. I just don't think this is going down like that. 78 million market cap. They have 146 million in sales. That's what they're listing anyway. No real news, since September. And I'm looking at that zone there. It's clearly a cup and handle. Look at that. Here, cup. There's the handle, and here we go. On this move here, it's this big red candle, it tried to fill them down. Then the next day it bounces. Very volatile stock. Very, not easy to read either. And then it came back again. Your 13 EMAs right here, and then here we go right here. So the stop. Well, you can play a stop shorter. And when I give these, stops, levels, resistance levels, you can have your own resistance level. A lot of this goes to people who are, understand stocks, they're learning, where buy sell levels are. You can make your stop right here, 50, this candle. And then this candle here, 40. It'll be, good stops for you, depending how many shares. And then you can see this up and down, trying to get over to 65 has been a wall, and 60. And then right here to 75, and that's right near that dollar. And you see right back here, and then the gap. So it's setting up well. And the big wedge it came out of. And now I'll see it based, and we'll see if we can go up here. So look for the 75 $1 roll next week, and we'll see how this plays out. And that is it. Any other news on this, or any other info, or how you feel about this stock, just write in the comments below. That's it. Please subscribe to my Kim Trade Alerts on YouTube, / the like button, and check out the links below. Peace.